India's homegrown mounted gun system, MGS, a 155mm/52 caliber artillery piece mounted on a high-mobility truck, is currently undergoing rigorous field trials under the Indian Army. Designed around the shoot and scoot principle, the system blends powerful long-range fire with rapid relocation abilities, an essential feature shaped by recent warfare lessons, especially from the Russia-Ukraine conflict. As mobility and quick response become central to modern battlefield tactics, the MGS emerges as a pivotal tool in India's push for defense autonomy and upgraded artillery capabilities. Built by Bharat Forge Limited, the MGS represents a major stride in India's homegrown military technology. More than just a prototype on wheels, the system is being tested across a variety of terrains and weather scenarios to evaluate its combat readiness. The trials underscore not only the technical promise of the platform but also India's broader strategic goal of deploying agile and independently manufactured artillery systems. This weapon is the result of joint development efforts between Bharat Forge and the DRDO's Vehicles Research and Development Establishment, VRDE, in Ahmednagar. Deriving its core design from the Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System, ATAGS, the MGS moves the firepower of ATAGS onto an 8x8 wheeled chassis. This gives the howitzer exceptional mobility and operational speed, complete with an armored crew cabin, blast-proof protection, and shock-absorbing stabilizers. Key features include a silent onboard power unit, digital fire control systems, and full automation for aiming and alignment, resulting in a system that can fire 6 rounds per minute and change position in under 90 seconds to avoid retaliatory strikes. The MGS is the outcome of over 10 years of R&D aimed at replacing outdated towed guns with modern, mobile alternatives. While ATAGS itself was conceived in 2013 to modernize Indian artillery, the MGS builds upon that foundation by offering a fast-moving variant suitable for joint operations with mechanized forces. Previous rounds of testing at Indian firing ranges like Balasore and Pokhran saw the system deliver over 100 successful firings. As it heads into broader deployment evaluations, the MGS stands apart by skipping the formal competition stage for some orders, thanks to its proven maturity. India's MGS also measures up impressively against comparable global platforms such as France's Caesar and Israel's Atmos 2000. Though all three share a common tactical philosophy, fast deployment, precision strikes, and swift withdrawal, the Indian variant boasts up to 85% indigenous components. This not only reduces foreign dependency but also boosts the Indian defense industry's capacity to serve both domestic needs and international buyers. More than just a technological milestone, the MGS aligns with India's new military doctrine emphasizing flexibility, survivability, and adaptability to hybrid and high-intensity warfare. Its ability to operate in varied terrain, from deserts to mountainous frontiers, makes it particularly relevant to India's unique security challenges. With the focus shifting to maneuverable and modular fire support, the MGS complements existing mechanized and armored formations while providing enhanced counter-battery resilience. In terms of procurement and budgeting, the MGS forms a significant part of a larger investment wave. India's Ministry of Defence has already signed contracts worth over 6,900 Indian rupees crore, approximately $830 million, for ATAGS systems, awarded jointly to Bharat Forge and Tata Advanced Systems. Additionally, around 700 to 800 truck-mounted MGS units are expected to be ordered, with 300 currently under competitive bidding. These figures come alongside prior major deals, including the 7,629 Indian rupees crore, $920 million, contract for 100 K9 Vajrati self-propelled guns, a signal of the scale and seriousness of India's artillery modernization campaign. Ultimately, the latest phase of MGS trials reflects more than performance testing. It illustrates India's transformation into a producer of next-generation battlefield systems. As the Indian Army accelerates toward future readiness, the MGS represents a defining step in achieving indigenous, mobile firepower that can shape both domestic defense posture and India's footprint in the global arms market.